Yep, I've done it. I've gone ahead and bought a 9800X 3D. That's because my old job, I had to send back my hardware, and thus I didn't have my old 9800X 3D test bed. So now we've got a new test bed. Good times. Time to swap CPUs and get cranking. There's the old Ryzen 7950X in there. Time to put in the 9950X 3D. Sorry, 9800X 3D. Yeah, that's a retail purchase processor. Almost 500 bucks. Let's get her in and fire it up. And we're back in. Time to fire it up. Guess I gotta put a graphics card in though. How's that? We got the OG RTX 3090 Founders Edition to test. Then I'll have to clear the BIOS and tell it, yes, I got a new CPU. Then we're back in business. And we are live running some tests. 3090 is actually still pretty decently fast. Not as fast as a 4090 or 5090, obviously, but 3090, I would say it lands roughly at the level of a 4070 Ti probably, Super. Sorry, 4070 Ti Super, yes. Maybe even, yeah, it's not quite out of 4080. So, they're still expensive though. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more test results in the future.